Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Plants vs Zombies 3 on Android. Open Google Play, search Plants vs Zombies 3, tap Install, then grant location and storage permissions when prompted. After installation, sign in with your game account or play as guest, allow cloud saves if desired, and complete the tutorial levels to unlock core mechanics and beginner rewards. Plants vs Zombies 3 blends lane defense with tactical plant placement, so prioritize sun economy first, then place early blockers to stall zombies. Swap plants dynamically to counter armored or flying enemies, and use specials when lanes get overwhelmed. Focus upgrades on plants you use most, and replay levels to farm resources efficiently while learning each enemy's weaknesses for smoother progression. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading strategy guides and game lore on the go with a crisp display and long battery life. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. On Android, keep performance smooth by freeing RAM, disabling aggressive battery optimizers, and granting the game permission to run in background if needed. Turn on Do Not Disturb during intense waves to avoid interruptions, and clear cache occasionally to prevent slowdowns. If you encounter crashes, reinstall or check for regional availability, and join official forums for device-specific fixes and community tips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.